How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make $100,000 a year without having any education. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So this is my personal opinion, everyone. Take everything with a grain of salt. Try new things as well. The best way to make money is by being as efficient as possible. Yes, it's great to work hard, but eventually there will come a time where you physically can't make any more money because you run out of hours in the day. This is why you need passive income. Passive income is just basically where you get money by doing nothing or very little work. A great example of this would be having renters in a house. You own the house, say it's a 5-bedroom house, you only occupy one room, well, you have 4 rooms you can rent out and make a profit. YouTube, Amazon affiliated marketing, as well as real estate, buying and selling homes are another great way to make money. Now, if you're sitting at home and you're a teenager or even an older male, what is the fastest way to make $100,000? The fastest way I did was to start a trade. Any trade will work: plumbing, electrical, carpenter, welder. Basically, any of these trades as a first year or a beginner starting out will get you around $50,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on where you live, you guys, and on where you work. The key to making money fast is to do remote locations where people don't want to work, you guys. The reason they don't want to work is because they will be gone and away from their family for a long time, generally 2 to 3 weeks at a time. Also, generally the weather conditions are awful, either raining, very hot, or super cold. That is what I have found out in my work history, you guys, working different places, doing different jobs. And you have to ask yourself, can anyone do this job? And if you answer yes, anyone can do this job. Like, for example, working at Tim Hortons, working at McDonald's, working at A&W, working at those places, anyone can do those jobs. I'm not bashing anyone that does that job. I'm just saying that most people can do that job well. So if most people can do that job, it's not going to be paying very well. Now, you get a surgeon who's operating on people. Well, not a lot of people can do that. You got to be extremely smart. You got to have a good hand. He's going to get paid huge amount of money because most people don't do that. So what you have to find out is you have to find out a job that most people don't want to do because of certain conditions. So an example is working on a rig, for example. You're gone 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes 2 to 3 months at a time. So you're gone from your family. Most people don't want that. If you're a single guy, though, you can do that because you don't have a family. You really don't have anyone that cares if you're gone for that period of time. A guy who's 40 years old with 3 kids, he really doesn't want to do that. Also, you find a job where you're working in a remote location where, again, people don't want to go to, then you're going to be making bank. So really look into that. Trust me, you guys, do your research. Another option that would be considered passive income, again, this would be still working your full-time job. The option is buying and selling houses. Now, it's not the same as flipping houses. Flipping houses, you have to do renovations, be a handyman, generally very good on electrical, plumbing, and carpentry. What you can do if you're not good at that is just study the market, watch it very carefully, and when it comes up, buy it for a price around $30,000 to $40,000 less than what it costs, and then sell for the same price the person initially wanted. That's another way to make passive income, you guys. I will put a link in the description box to a book that you can buy on passive income, different money, how to make money. So make sure you guys check out the description box. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.